Hello, good evening. Nowadays, nagsa-struggle talaga ako kung paano ko i-open yung aking bank statement without entering a password. And I tried to find out kung paano ko siya buksan. And now, I will try to show you if kung paano. First, we open Safari. We'll go to website www.sugpdf.com. As we can see from here, merong 4 na folder. I-click lang natin tong right upper, which is unlock PDF. So, unlock PDF, online PDF password remover. Scroll down lang natin and choose file. So, kung makikita natin dito, ito yung may lock na to. Ito yung aking bank statement na gusto kong buksan. So, click lang natin to and choose. Enter PDF password if any. So, try natin i-enter. Unlock. So, PDF password removed successfully. So, download PDF without the password. Okay, click lang natin to. And now, PDF has been downloaded. So, eto na nga yung aking bank statement. Ayan na siya. I-close lang natin to. Pumunta tayo sa aking download folder. Open lang natin yung Finder. And here, downloads. So, eto na siya. Dalawa pa. So, ayun lamang po. And sana may natutunan kayo dito sa video na to. And please subscribe the red button. And please hit the red button for subscribe to support my channel. And like and share na rin po sa inyong mga friends and families. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.